Good afternoon, we're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog, so if you like this video, come back tomorrow.
We're visiting or surprising a friend at Old Key West.
Made a little purchase at the gift shop. Did we show it off in the vlog with the Earharts?
I think so, but we'll double check.
Yeah.
Double show it off. It's for Sarah's mom.
Yeah. It's such a cute cup with a Mickey and Minnie holding hands outside of Old Key West. It has all the different icons too.
I'm gonna be honest.
So cute.
The weather today and my choice of attire is testing my Florida-ness. Because
it's hot.
it is a brutally, it's not
You
humid.
have shorts in the car though, right?
Yeah. But the thing is, like, I might still keep these on because I'm comfy.
Yeah.
And there's no humidity right now, which is crazy.
It's just like,
it's just baked.
yeah.
So if it stays like this with no humidity and the sun goes down, it'll actually be a cool night.
Yeah. So we are going to head to their room. They're finishing getting ready after the pool. Kayla's friend has a competition tonight. So we're just gonna hang out for a little, maybe grab lunch with them and...
Well, don't they have like a team thing at Art of Animation? Is that why they're going
No,
out?
it's not a team thing. It's just I
Oh,
think,
they're just them going to Art of
I
Animation?
think so. We'll figure
it
it out. We're just going with the flow.
And Guardians of the Galaxy, hopefully.
Alright, Kayla's gonna show us her medals.
Kayla's a professional
This one,
She was in the vlog.
6th place for all around.
Wonderful.
This one's 3rd place for beam.
Oh,
This is 6th for floor.
awesome.
I should have
Good job,
brought one of
that's
my
some-
medals. We could have traded.
Heavy medal.
We're at Art of Animation. We're here to get some food. And now that Sarah said she's hungry, now all of a sudden I am literally starving. Alright, we're at one of our favorite eateries.
Landscape flavors.
Ooh, is that what it's called? That is a great name. We're at Art of Animation to get some food. And I think we beat our friends here? I don't know. I don't see him, but I'm thinking a burger, I think, or a wrap. Do you need a spoon or a fork?
How did you get that for free?
The girl said when you get pasta, you get a free dessert with it. So I got it earlier.
That looks delicious.
It's good.
Well, well, well. If it wasn't the Boardwalk, we couldn't stay away. One weekend, we couldn't even do it. We're back. And the Earharts are back.
No, they are not.
They're not. But
We are going to the Boardwalk. We're going to go to EPCOT. We're going to see our show.
twice, hopefully.
Hopefully twice. We're going to go to the DVC lounge.
Hopefully and get better
And-
coffee, because the coffee from Art of Animation is awful.
And come back here tonight to meet up again with Karen, Kayla, and Co.
And go.
Yeah, company. For some ice cream. So,
And I say this is bad because it's just old.
just been sloshing
Yeah, I can
around.
tell that they probably replaced it within 5 minutes of me getting it. So I should have just gone up and gotten fresher coffee, but it's just a fact. So DVC Lounge is gonna save me. I literally had butterflies on my stomach because we can hear a band. And then Sarah realized it's probably UK, not.
He thought it was Guardians. The next show's at 6:45, so we have 2 hours.
Just walked through the gates. Sarah's FaceTime and Grant because he wanted a full review of the
and I,
Frozen 2
I did,
trailer.
Like a little like.
Say hi to Grant.
Vlog, I know you missed me.
What up? Are we brothers? I think we're brothers.
Kinda.
Kinda.
We're born like 30 minutes from each other.
A couple of years apart though.
I know.
Hey vlog, I'm currently making cookies, but we have no chocolate chips, so I have to use mini M&Ms.
You're frozen.
Bummer, right?
So cute.
Bye-bye.
Send me some.
I want some so bad.
Just look how absurdly naked this park looks. It's so empty. There's so much more room for activities.
Well, this is like from now until Food and Wine, so like June to August.
But guess what?
What?
I can't wait for food and wine.
This path is not available.
They're getting it ready for food and wine. We didn't tell the world yet, but they're actually christening that walkway, honorary Brookhart walkway.
Oh please.
Here we go, with 55 minutes left. But has anybody ever heard this music? Is that Journey music? Because I've literally never heard that music before. and it just came out of nowhere, out of that bush. We made it in the lounge, the DVC lounge, paying for my coffee addiction with my Disney addiction.
And no caffeine.
And sugar
like
free?
the light, I just like fake sugar.
It's just as bad.
It's just as
With
bad.
that aspartame, give you a headache.
Yes, I'm still here, my dear.
I still got that strawberry cream soda though. There could never be a better day in Epcot other than Food and Wine Day, or no, Festival of the Arts Day, than getting Beverly and going to see Guardians of the Galaxy Mixed Volume 2 Expression Explosion. Awesome.
Love your shirt. I rarely ever get a Vegetabeta. Watch.
Ew, that's terrible.
Melon Frosty's going instead. These trees are beautifully in bloom. Look at these purple flowers. What?
I love that alliteration you just played. It's the fun of the Dukes. So cute. Oh man, this is the line. I'm nervous. It's 6:12. I don't know if this is a 6:45 show or the 8 or the late one, the 8 one. Oh, this has got to be the 6:45 because nobody's in the stands. Oh man, I was so nervous. Yes, it is time. It is time. We're 20 minutes away from showtime, and I can't wait. It's gonna be so good. I'm literally have nervous belly. That's how excited I am.
Do you want to sit here?
I want to sit front row over here. We are 5 minutes away from my life being closer to being complete.
Recent events have brought your interesting planet to our attention. As explained to us by a representative from your world called Star-Lord, your Epcot has been identified as a cultural epicenter.
Let's show them how we do it on Xandar! Zardu Hasselfrau! Zardu Hasselfrau!
Quill, where's this emergency you brought us halfway across the galaxy for?
Happening right behind us. Listen, you guys sound awesome, but here's the thing. The people out here, they're Terrans. And their little Terran ears aren't made to process the intricacies of Xandarian music. I was born on this planet. I know what Terran's like. You guys have those headsets. Go ahead and put those headsets on. Yeah, just like that. Groot, can you patch the music down into their headsets?
I can't.
Good treat.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. I'll just stay a victim if I can't be sure. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Said I'm hooked on a feeling. Hey, what's the matter with your head?
Yeah. Oh, one more thing. You gotta find a better name for your band. Star-Lord out.
Terrence, we are the Starlord. Thank you, Terrence. Thank you, EPCOT. Starlord, out.
Are you so happy?
I'm so happy. We're gonna go get water, stop in Japan, and get back in line for the 8 o'clock. That was so good. And when it calms down, I'll tell you something more. If you get a chance to watch that show, watch it, because that is all live performers, talented, and what's cool
And
is
like effortless.
effortless. They're just amazing.
Yeah.
Some familiar faces returned this year. What's cool is that there's a family behind us that somebody was like, hey, have you seen this before? And they were like, no, we haven't seen this before, but like, we know the band. And then it hit me, I was like, wait, when we saw this last summer, every time we saw it, the band, anybody playing an instrument stayed the same, but like the 3 singers and the 2 character performers would all like change. But like the piano player, the saxophone player, the guitar, bass, they'd all stay the same. The people behind us were like, yeah, we know the band, and as the stage came out, they're like, oh, the bass player's name is blah, 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 the guitar player's, the saxophone player's blah, blah, blah. Like, it's kind of
so
cool.
cool.
Like, it's this band's like summer gig to play these like 5 shows a day.
That would be so much fun.
So much fun.
Also, there's like new graphics and like a couple of pyrotechnics.
Same song, same storyline, like nothing's
Yeah.
changed there.
No, but just,
which I'm
like,
okay with.
groups.
Same dance moves,
Some
which
costumes.
is the best. Boom, da boom, boom.
Yeah, that's fun.
So we're gonna go get some AC, then hop back in line because it's already 7:10. They'll let us in about 30 minutes for the 8 o'clock. Ooh, I just want to come every day. Can I quit
I
my job?
almost feel like maybe we don't film that one.
Yeah,
so
and we just enjoy it. I was thinking the same thing. You read my mind. Also, if anybody knows this fact, I know this was an original store in Japan, but please put a comment down below if it still exists, because when we go to Japan, we'd have to go to the real one. Because there's a photo over here of it. Like, see? But is it still operating today? Oh, look at this. The line has begun. Look, these people have this custom Starlord shirts. They were there last show. I wonder if they're here all day. We're hoping next Sunday to do that, where we just come to every single show.
This is our spot for the second show. So close to
So close. I just want to enjoy it with my pal right here. She's my best friend.
super excited. You're my best friend.
So happy. It's only here till what, August 14th, did I say? 18th, August 18th. So we need to see it.
Food and wine, which
Right.
makes sense. So good.
I want to watch this every minute of my life. I wonder my.
That's like literally like Mount Olympus slash.
That is Mount Olympus.
Yeah, I don't know what. The heavens descending. France, another one that just looks so naked with nothing there.
But you know what I hear? If you listen quietly, closely, you listen closely, you can hear it. Food and wine, food and wine. Everybody loves food and wine.
I hear it. So we're just strolling. We took the long way around. We've been doing a lot of like Boardwalk World Showcase, Boardwalk World Showcase, so
We want to check out Beach Club and Yacht Club.
we're waiting for our friends to tell us that they're here. The plan is to see them for ice cream.
Yes, because Kayla's friend finished competition tonight, so now they're like done with the season officially.
People are loving these bikes tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, but this hill is hard.
Oh, I might have to push some people. This is the struggle. You just get stuck on this. This car started rolling backwards just now, and now it's just stuck. I think this might be a pretty stellar illumination spot. Even the perfect ledge for the camera. Oh!
This emoji.
Triple duper. And yes, you just heard right. Triple duper.
The same one that's illegal in 48 states and Puerto Rico. Thank you, Florida and Kentucky, for hanging on. Amen. That, my friend,
That was
yo-yo, as
fourth
performed by the American yo-yo. Yo-yo-yo.
This is why this is my favorite resort.
Perfect.
We're in Amble Hills, and this is where I will break eventually.
Alright, we are home super early for a typical Brookhart Saturday night, but it's because we're being smart. We need to get up early to go to Magic Kingdom early, to edit the vlog early. Sarah needs her 8 hours early. Need to go on a run early. Gonna have so much fun. Did I say it? Early. Do you need something? Do you need water?
The quote for today is, "The world is so full of a number of things. I'm sure we should all be as happy as kings." Robert Louis Stevenson.
We gotta get up in I gotta get up in 6 hours.
I had to get up at 8, but actually, guys, it's before midnight.
It's before 11.
No, it's just about 11.
It's just about 11.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home. Guardians of the Galaxy's back.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.